All right, we have example 2. Example 2 says find the square root of 3600. So we have solution like this. Draw a vertical line, write this. You have 3600 like this. So it is an even number. We start dividing by 2. When 2 divides 3, it will give us 1 remainder 1. Put the 1 in front of 6. It will become 16. When 2 divides 16, it will give us what? 8. When 2 divides 0, 0. Dividing 0, we have 0. Still an even number. 2 can divide. When 2 divides 18, it will give us 9. Dividing 0, it will give us 0. Dividing 0, we have 0 like this. Alright, still an even number. 2 can divide. When 2 divides 9, it will give us 4. Remainder 1. Put 1 here. When 2 divides 10, it will give us 5. Dividing 0, we have like this. Can you see that? Still an even number. 2 can divide. When 2 divides 4, it will give us 2. Dividing 5, it will give us 2. Remainder 1. Put 1 here. This will become 10. When 2 divides 10, it will give us 5. Can you see that? When you look at this now, you notice that 2 cannot divide again. You try 3. When 3 divides 22, it will give us 7. Remainder 1. Carry 1 and put in front of 5 to give us 15. When 3 divides 15, it will give us 5. 3 can divide again. When 3 divides 7, it will give us 2. Remainder 1. Put 1 here, making it 15. When 3 divides 15, it will give us 5. 3 cannot divide again. Use 5. When 5 divides 25, it will give us 5. When 5 divides 5, it will give us 1. Can you see that? All right. So, because you are talking about square root, when you pick 2, you call it 1. Pick 2, you call it 1. Pick 2, you call it 1. You pick 2, you call it what? 1, like this. Can you see that? All right. So, you now say that the square root is, you have 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 5, like this. Can you see that? All right. So, how do we do that? You say 2 times 2 will give us 4, times this is 12, times this one we have 60. So we have this. So it means that the square root of 3600 is equals to what? 60. It's not difficult.